Hello guys, my name is Prince and this is Math Center. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. Post your comments and questions on my social media handles and I'll respond to it. We are on the topic mensuration. In the previous video, we learned how to find the area and perimeter of a right-angled triangle. In this video, we are going to learn how to find the area and perimeter of an isosceles triangle. Let's learn more about isosceles triangles. If you consider the triangle ABC, we can see that the length of AC is equal to the length of BC. For isosceles triangles, one very unique property about it is that two sides of the triangle are equal. So here there are two lines here and there are two lines here, showing that the length AC is equal to the length BC. So if you have a triangle with two sides being equal, then that triangle is an isosceles triangle. So these two lines here and these two lines here means that the length AC and the length BC are equal. There is only one line here showing that the length AB is different from AC and BC. Another important thing about isosceles triangles is that the angles formed at the base are also equal. So the line AC or the side AC and the side BC, the angles formed at their bases, which means that the angle formed here, and the angle formed here are also equal. So that is another unique property about isosceles triangles. So if you are considering this isosceles triangle, then angle BAC is equal to angle ABC. That means that if angle BAC is equal to theta, then angle ABC is also equal to theta. So for isosceles triangles, two sides are equal and the angles formed at the basis of these two sides are also equal. We've learned that the perimeter of a triangle is the total distance around the triangle. So here the perimeter of this isosceles triangle will be the sum of the length AB, BC and AC. So we add the length AB to the length BC to the length AC, and we are going to get the perimeter of this isosceles triangle. We also learned in the previous video that the area of a triangle is equal to half times the base times the height. For this isosceles triangle, AB, the length AB is the base of the triangle. So AB is the base of the triangle. Now, the height of the triangle is the perpendicular distance from C to the base. So if you draw a perpendicular line from C to the line AB, that the length of that line is what we call the height of the triangle. We call this line a perpendicular line because it meets AB at 90 degrees. So if two lines meet at 90 degrees, those two lines are said to be perpendicular lines. So the height of this triangle here is the perpendicular distance from C to the base. So the length of the line from C to the base is the height of the triangle. One very important thing about the isosceles triangle is that because the line from C to the base is a perpendicular line, it's going to divide the length AB into two equal parts, meaning that if you call this point here point D, let's say I call this point here point D, that is where the perpendicular line meets AB. If I call this point here point D, because this line here, now the line CD, because it is a perpendicular line, is going to divide AB into two equal parts. So the length AD, or from A to D, will be the same as from D to B. So AD is equal to DB. This is very, very important. We are going to use it when we are finding the area of an isosceles triangle. Let's pick a question and see how you can apply what you just learned to solve a question. The height of an isosceles triangle is 8 centimeters and the base is 10 centimeters long. Find the A, area of the triangle, B, length of the sides, and C, perimeter of the triangle. So let's say that we are drawing this isosceles triangle. Let's call it ABC. The question says that the base of the triangle is 10 centimeters long. So from AB, which is the base, from line AB, which is the base of the triangle, is 10 centimeters long. It also said that the height of the triangle is 8 centimeters, which means that the perpendicular distance from C to the base is 8 centimeters. So since it's a perpendicular distance, we indicate the right angle sign here to show that they are going to meet at 90 degrees. And this line from C to the line AB is 8 centimeters. So the base of the triangle is 10 centimeters and the height of the triangle is 8 centimeters. Okay, the question says that we should find the area of the triangle, then the length of the sides of the triangle, then we find the perimeter of the triangle. Let's begin with the area. We've learned that the formula for finding the area of a triangle is half times base times height. Now, what is the base of this triangle? What is the length of the base of this triangle? It is 10 centimeters. The height is 8 centimeters. So we just substitute these values into the formula. So we have half times the base, which is 10 centimeters, times the height, which is 8 centimeters. And this is going to give us 40 centimeters squared. So the area of this triangle is 40 centimeters squared. So we can say that therefore the area of this triangle here is 40 centimeters squared. The question also said that we should find the length of the sides and the perimeter of this triangle. See you in the next video where we will learn how to find the length of the sides and the perimeter of this triangle. Bye bye.